Hi guys, welcome back for another video. If you're new to my channel, my name's Ice Cream and I post videos once a week on a Sunday. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today's video, basically, I need to clean my house, my apartment, like I really need to clean it. But I also really need to film a YouTube video, so I thought let me kill two birds with one stone and do one of these speed clean videos. If you like it, then I'll carry on doing these kind of videos as well. But yeah, my house is in a bit of a state and it needs tidying up, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I've got like 3 hours to do it because we're going out at like 2 o'clock and it is now 11 o'clock. So I need to do that, bath, get ready, film a turban tutorial. It's going to be going up late today. So today's Saturday, the 6th of April, and then head back home because basically every Friday I go home. And then I stay at home for the weekend because it's literally just like a 5-10 minute drive, my apartment to my parents. So I stay there for the weekend. So I've just come from home to sort my house out and do everything that I need to do. And I am looking hella crusty, but you know, this is life. I'm literally in my scruffs, so don't mind the outfit. It's not an outfit of the day shot, it's not a fashion video. It's just a life, just me doing what I need to do. So yeah, so just a little update on my apartment. So it's starting to come together slowly. Still things that I need to do and things like that, but yeah, it's coming together and I finally got my wardrobes done the other day. But yeah, for now, let's get cleaning. Okay, I think I've set you up in a way where you'll see me do all my kitchen, so I'm going to start in the kitchen. Before I do that, I'm going to quickly go and spray my bathroom with the bathroom spray because you meant to leave it on for like 5 minutes, so I'll do that first. But yeah, this worktop here is where I'm going to start. So basically on a Friday I work from home and this is my work area. So yesterday I literally was working till 8:30 p.m. So as soon as I finished I was like, right, I'm done. Went home, left it all, so I'm going to get started. Hey guys, so I'm just starting off by clearing the worktop. Getting rid of all my work stuff and everything that totally occupied that desk. Removing that ring light. Me and my sister filmed there the week before and it kind of just stayed there. So yes. Oh yeah, and I'll list all the products that I use in the description box below. Absolutely love my breakfast stools. They're so comfortable and I just love that they're light as well. There's my Tarara water burner. Love it. If you are Nigerian, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you're not, you probably won't, but it's basically an incense burner, an electric one. Okay, so worktop done. Moving on to the kitchen tables and stuff now. So yes, that stuff that I'm using to clean that stainless steel part of my sink is called Pink Stuff, and I actually have had it for a while and have never used it, so it's the first time that I'm using it and it is really good. It's very good for getting rid of any stubborn marks and things like that. It's very good. I really like it. Just be careful though because it is abrasive and I accidentally used it on our counter at home and it kind of got rid of the shine a bit, so I was like whoops, but I think I should be able to fix it. But yeah, just don't use it on like, test it basically on a small area, which they do tell you to do. I just didn't do that. Did the dishes, all that good stuff. Now I'm using my Zaflora. Oh my god, Zaflora is the best thing I have ever discovered. It smells amazing and it disinfects as well, so it's so good. And let me tell you something, that microfiber cloth is my best friend, and I can't find where I put the rest of them, so I did the kitchen first and then I washed it and then used it in the bathroom as well, which is, you know, not ideal, but yeah, I bought loads of them as well. But it's very good, really good, especially like when you're cleaning stainless steel stuff. So once you've like cleaned it with product and stuff, if you get a dry microfiber cloth, it literally will shine your surfaces. Oh my god. Okay, moving on to the living room, get rid of my washing and all that good stuff. Okay, and then clean my mirror. Love that mirror of mine. But yeah, cleaning it. And this brand of glass wipes that I bought, they're not the best because it kept leaving like white marks on, which is why it took me longer. Ones that I've used in the past, I don't really know which ones exactly I use. I just pick them up from wherever, but yeah, this one I need to take a picture to remind me never to buy it again. Move on to my coffee table, which I've had lying in my brother's bedroom at home for the longest time in the box, and I finally got it made up. Those two little things on the floor, by the way, they're not staying there. I just need to clear them out and then move it. Oh my god, this Hoover, so my mum got me this when I got my house, and it's so funny because at first we were just like, oh my god, this Hoover literally doesn't do nothing, even though it's a really expensive Hoover and you can feel its quality. It's Dyson. So for the longest time I was like, oh my god, does not pick fluff up and stuff from the floor. And then one day, literally not even that long ago, I was hoovering and I saw a button and I thought, we've never pushed this button before. So I pushed this button and oh my god, like, this Hoover is the ish. It's so good. And I thought, how could we literally not have figured it out? And the thing is, like, nobody ever, well, I never read instruction manuals either, so that probably would have helped, but I discovered it in the end. That's the most important thing, right? It's really a really good Hoover. And to the bathroom, that Flash bathroom cleaner is so good and it smells beautiful. It's like pine wood or something. Like I said, I'll link the products all down below. But yeah, it smells really nice and it is very effective in cleaning your bathroom. And your bathroom will smell so nice for days afterwards as well. So that's what I'm just using to clean the bathroom with. And like I said at the beginning of the video, you do need to leave it, like spray it and leave it for at least 5 minutes. Sorry about the croaky voice, this is my morning voice. I'm literally in bed, woke up, started editing. I always seem to do that. Honestly, cleaning your house is such a workout, it's great. That blue sponge I got from Asda and it's really good actually. I really like it for cleaning my bathroom with. Right guys, so that is me done. The battery was getting low, my space was running out, so I finished. My house is nice and clean. This here was part of my IKEA cabinet thing that I used to have. There it is. But I put that back in my house, at mum and dad's house, in my room at home, because there was just nowhere to put it here. So I just need to sort all this stuff out in there and get rid of it. This table right here, I'm really not sure about the positioning of it. I don't know where to put it. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Love my new frames. This isn't meant to be a house tour, by the way, but yeah, it's all clean now. Yay! My ring light, I usually store it in my storage cupboard, but because I use it every week, I kind of just thought I might as well just leave it out. But once I do clear up my storage cupboard and kind of make space in there again, because it's just a hot mess, then I will start storing it in there because I don't like having stuff out here. But yeah, ta-da! All clean. Now I need to go bath. It is now 12:30. Yeah, I need to go bath, get ready, try and film the turbine tutorial before 2 o'clock. we'll see how that goes. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you did. That pink stuff is thebomb.com. Usually when I clean the glass in my bathroom, I just use my Zoflora and the microfiber cloth, and that works absolutely fine because usually I do it daily. But on this occasion I actually let it build up, oops, so it wasn't coming off, like the watermarks weren't coming off as easily. So I put the pink stuff on and it was so good, it literally got rid of it straight away. So I definitely recommend getting that. It's really, really good. The house smells so fresh as well. That bathroom stuff, there's a Flora, all that is so good. Ooh, and there's one thing that I do as well, one last thing that I need to show you because you will thank me for this. So basically, right at the end, oh, it's boiled. I get my Zoflora, where did I put it? I get my Zoflora, put some into the sink, block the sink up, and I put the cloth that I used here. So put it in the sink, put some Zoflora in here, and then put some boiled kettle water, which I have just boiled that. Ooh, steady. And literally your whole house will smell amazing. Thank me later. Honestly, I love doing this. And then it does two things. It basically will disinfect your cloth that you used, and it will also, of course, make your house smell amazing, which is the most important thing. So yeah, give it a try. Zoflora is amazing, honestly. I love it. There are so many different flavors or scents in this. I've got the lemon one, not my favorite. This linen fresh one is the best because I just feel it's like very fresh and natural. So yeah, if you use Zoflora in any other way, let me know. But you know also what I do with my Zoflora is I put it in the bin. So when I empty my bin out and then put a new bin back in, then I will put some on like a kitchen tissue and then put it in my bin. So that also is really nice because then every time you open your bin, it smells fresh. And I've seen that people put it behind their radiators and stuff like that, like on a tissue behind their radiators and things like that. It literally has a million uses, and the best thing is that it is a disinfectant as well. So it's really, really good. My arm's getting tired, so I'm gonna go now. Bye.